This Bruno Vassari's bithermal corporal treatment is specially indicated for those people who wish to reduce volume and keep firmness on the skin. We'll play with the temperature variation, getting stimulation at the circulatory and cellular level, favoring the toxins elimination and so the cellular nutrition and the collagen synthesis. We'll start the treatment with an exfoliation, which will eliminate dead cells and prepare the skin to receive the anticellulite and reductive actives. In order to prepare the peeling, we mix 1 il sale l'uva spoonful with the corporal massage oil in a bowl until we get the light mix that will allow us to exfoliate the skin in a pleasant manner. The essential oils contained in the massage corporal oil will help to stimulate and tone up the skin, making it more receptive. Immediately afterwards, we apply the mix through soft and wide movements, starting the exfoliation on the ankle, following the maneuvers upwards. We continue the exfoliation on the other leg, following the same guidelines. We follow working the abdomen by clockwise circular movements, and we end with the arms. The posterior body side exfoliation will be worked on following the same guidelines. We start the exfoliation on the ankles and then we continue upwards. Once we are finished, we remove the salt by using warm water humidified towels, or we can also eliminate the waste by showering if preferred. Next, we start to work in the treatment's thermal phase, which will permit the elimination of retained liquids as the softening of the hardener adipose tissue. We'll work with thermoactive cream on the most problematic zones with more cellulites or volume excess to cause a light hyperemia, which will help the penetration of the active principles. Thermoactive cream application is not recommended on circulatory troubled zones due to the circular activation that it causes. We start the application on the knees and we continue working by upwards kneading, insisting on the thigh zone. Later, we work the abdomen, where we apply the product working clockwise. We continue with kneads on both sides of the abdomen. Next, we apply the exudation cream from the knee to the chest in order to favor the perspiration and so the toxins elimination. We apply it directly with our hands by soft maneuvers, making sure that we perfectly cover the area. Afterward, we wrap the client with an osmotic film or with a heat towel. This treatment phase will allow eliminating toxins and quickly reducing volume as the skin is activated, increasing the absorption of the actives which will be applied in the next phase. Once the exposure time is over, we will remove the product by using humidified flannels, insisting until we completely eliminate every product waste. Next, with a clean and dry skin, we apply the anticellulite liposome concentrate. We apply on the areas to be treated with a brief massage until it is completely absorbed. Now we get to prepare the alginate cellulite body mask in a container. Depending on the area to be treated, we'll use more or less amount of product. For instance, for a whole corporal treatment, we'll use 6 doses of cellulite body mask per 6 measures of water. We'll stir quickly and energetically until we get a creamy and homogeneous texture. It is important to apply the product quickly to avoid alginate solidification before we have covered all areas to be treated. We apply the obtained mixture over the previously treated areas, covering the most problematic areas. Next, we cover the client with osmotic film and leave to rest for 15 minutes. Over this time, the cellulite body mask actives and the anticellulite liposome concentrate will deeply penetrate, stimulating the greasy nodes degradation. Once the time is over, we remove the mask by detaching it in one piece. We finish by perfecting the skin cleaning with a warm, humidified towel if necessary. We finally finish the treatment by applying the intensive firming gel. We start the application from the legs, following upwards and covering the whole treated area. An hour is enough time to eliminate toxins. Retained liquids are drained, skin is tensed and reaffirmed, figure is sharpened, strains are eliminated.